11th B5.
I am Amy Cormulia, 11th B6.
We are from Mountain Meditation High Secondary School, Pulkottai, Tamil Nadu. We have came here to propose the projects for replacing plastic balls from Ecobowls.
Plastics has a significant effect on earth. It causes water pollution, air pollution and land pollution. Causes human issues in human and animals.
To reduce this, we have innovated two different bowls. One is eggshell bowl and another is banana plastic bowl. Now let us see about eggshell bowl.
The materials needed to make these eggshell balls are eggshells, glycerin, chloride and agar-agar. Here glycerin is act as polymer, agar-agar and chloride is act as preservative. Eggshell bowl is very durable, strong and travel friendly and cost efficient and waterproof. It is even good for health as eggshell contain high proportionality of calcium. Here we can use this bowl for eating purposes. This is our eggshell bowl. You can see how stiff it is, and we have been using this eggshell bowl for past few months. You can see there is no damage to this bowl. That's been made it.
Now let us see about eco-plastic banana bowls. The materials required to make these bowls are waste banana peels, honey, cinnamon and vinegar. Here honey acts as a polymer, cinnamon acts as a preservative and vinegar acts as a blender. This is our eggshell bowl. You can see this is so strong, durable, cost efficient and it's travel friendly. We made this from banana peels, so it does not cause damage to our health. It does not cause any damage to our digestive system and so on.
Plastic uses leads to leaching or migration of food. Our aim is to reduce plastic usage and in such effects and in food consumption.
Heating foods with plastics can damage our digestive system and all other body parts. Now,
plastic pollution on land harms ecosystem by contaminating soil or water.
Plastic gives us a helpful hand, but don't let it pollute our beautiful land.
We cannot stop using plastic, but we can reduce it.
Don't let the mother nature become a once upon a time.
Say no to plastic, save our mother earth.
Thank you all. Jai Hind.